Welcome back to a new video. All the parts for the high voltage circuit have arrived, so it's time to start building it. I will show you exactly what I buy. This I will use as a current measure for the high voltage side. I will use the 0.5 setting on this multimeter. This is the actual high voltage generator. I won't be using this specific one because I already made one. Here it is. I'll use this one when and if something happens to the other one. This is a boost converter, buck boost converter. I don't remember which one specifically, but this will be controlling the input and output circuitry. These are the diodes that we'll use for the high voltage multiplier. I have exactly 30 of them, and here is the switch I will be using for all of this. So let's get started building it. I'll make a quick montage. I will show you the output in a few seconds, but I need, in the next video, I will put it onto like a board and something to visualize and make it more like complete. Anyways, thanks for watching and have a good day.